your home. Today I am going to teach you in English subject, and that is small letter U. In previous video we did small letter T. I hope you understand how to write small letter T. Now today I am going to teach you how to write small letter U. What is this? These two are blue lines. Okay, and we have to write small letter U in this two blue lines. Now see how to write small letter U. First what we have to do? First we have to make one standing line. Blue line to blue line like this. Then we have to make one curve like this. Okay. And then again we have to make one standing line and then small curve. This is called small letter U. U for umbrella. Again, how to write small letter U? First we have to make one small standing line. Blue line to blue line. Start from this blue line, touch this blue line. Then we have to make one curve like this, and then we have to make again one standing line like this, and then we have to make one small curve like this. This is called small letter U. Again we have to see how to write small letter U. First we have to make one standing line, blue line to blue line, then curve, and then again standing line, and then small curve. Now again we have to see how to write small letter U. First we have to make one standing line, blue line to blue line, then curve, and then small curve like this. Okay, now here again we have to see how to write small letter U. First we have to make one standing line, then curve, and then small curve. It is easy how to write small letter U. You have to make one standing line and then curve, and then again one standing line and small curve. You have to make small curve, not big one. Okay. Again, first you have to make one standing line, then curve, and then again curve, and then small curve. This is called small letter U. Again last, you have to make U like this. Okay. You get to know how to write small letter U when you are doing practice. Okay. See, this is small letter U. U for umbrella, U for up. Okay. U for up, and U for umbrella. When we are using umbrella? Yes, in monsoon season. Very good. I hope you understand how to write small letter U. You have to do practice of this small letter U at home. Now we will do one activity. Now we will do one activity, and that is tick the correct pair. Okay. Now in this activity what we have to do? What is this? Two alphabets are there, na? That is called a pair. These two are the pair. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to take the correct one. First one is this capital A, and this is a small a. So this is a correct pair. So what we have to do? We have to tick like this. Now second one. This is capital B and this is capital F. Is this correct pair? No. Why? Because this is a capital B and this is a FB. If here capital B is here and here small b is here, then it will be a correct pair. But here is capital F. So it is not a correct pair. So what we have to do? We have to tick no, because we have to tick correct pair only. Okay. Now next letter. Which letter is this? Capital E. And this one is small e. Is this correct pair? Yes, because this is capital A and this is small a. Both alphabets are same only. So what we have to do? Tick. Yes. So we have to do tick here. Okay. Now which letter is this? This is small g and this is small h. Is this correct pair? No, because this is small g and this is small h. These two letters are different, not same. Okay. So we have to tick it? No, because we have to tick only correct pair. Now second one. Which alphabet is this? This is capital D and this is small d. Is this correct pair? Yes. So what we have to do? We have to tick. So we have to tick here like this. Now this is capital C and this is small c. These both letters are same. This one is capital and this one is small. So we have to do tick now. Yes. So we have to tick here. Now next. Which letter is this? This is capital F and this is capital E. These both letters are different. So we have to do tick. No. And this one is capital H and capital I. So we have to do tick. No. Both letters are different. This is not a correct pair. Now next one. Which letter is this? This is capital J and this one is small j. They both are same. Correct pair? Yes. Now what we have to do? Tick. So we have to do tick here. Now which letter is this? This is capital K and this is small l. So we have to do tick? No, because these both are different letters, not the same letter. What is this? This is capital H and this is small h. These both letters are same. So what we have to do? We have to tick. So do tick like this. Now which letter is this? This is small m and this is small n. Is it correct pair? No, because both letters are different. So we have to do tick? No. Now, which letter is this? Yes, this one is P and this one is Q. So what we have to do? Tick? No, because these both are different letters. Now, which letter is this? This is capital Q and this is small q. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to do tick because this is a correct pair. Now, which letter is this? This is small s and this is capital S. Okay. So we have to do tick. Yes, because both are same letters. So we have to do tick because it is a correct pair. Now, which letter is this? This is capital T and this is small d. So we have to do tick? No, because this is not a correct pair. Now, which letter is this? Capital R, okay, and this one is small r. So we have to do tick? Yes. So do tick. Now which one is this? This one is capital U and this one is small u. So we have to do tick? Yes. Now which letter is this? This is capital P and this is small a. So we have to do tick? No. Now this one is capital D and this one is C. So we have to do tick? No, because both letters are different only. Now have a look again. First, A, capital A and small a. These both are same. Okay, correct pair. So same letters. So what we have to do? Tick. B and F. Different letters. So we don't want to do tick. Now capital E and small e. Same letters. So we have to do tick. Different letters G and H. So we don't want to tick it. Now D and capital D and small d. Same pair, correct pair. So we have to do tick over here. Capital C and small c. Correct pair. We have to tick here because same letters are here. F and E, different letters. We don't want to tick. H and I, different letters. We don't want to tick. Capital J and small j. This is capital J and this is small j. So we have to tick it because same correct pair. Same letter is there. Okay. Now K and L. We don't want to tick. Different letters are here. Now H, capital H and small h. We did tick because same letters, correct pair is there. M and N. Different. So we don't want to tick it. Now P, Q. Different letters. That is why we not tick it. Now capital Q and small q. Same letters. That is why we tick it. Capital S and small s. Same letters. Correct pair. We tick it. T and D. Different letters are here. It is not a correct pair. Now capital R and small r. Correct pair. That is why we did tick. U, capital U and small u. Correct pair. That is why we tick because same letters here. Now B and A. Different letters. That is why we don't tick it. D and C. Same here. Okay. I hope you understand how to do this activity. Tick the correct pair. We have to tick correct pair only. Okay. Same letters means capital A and small a. It's a correct pairs. That is why we did tick. So you have to do practice of this activity at your home. I hope you understand how to write small letter U. You have to do practice of this both things at your home. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself.